Chapter 6, Becoming the Future Version of You. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the strongest version of you. Not just physically, but mentally, calm under pressure, disciplined with time, clear about purpose, unshakable in storms. That person exists in the future. That version of you is not fantasy. They are waiting, but they are not created in one big moment. They are built step by step. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you step closer. Every time you choose action over excuses, you step closer. Every time you show up when you do not feel like it, you step closer. The future warrior version of you does not need you to be perfect today. They just need you to keep moving. You are building neural pathways, habits, systems, resilience. You are reprogramming your entire life code. That does not happen overnight, but it does happen. And one day, you will wake up in a reality that used to be your dream. You will carry a strength that used to be your fantasy. And you will realize it did not arrive in a single explosion of motivation. It arrived in thousands of quiet, slow decisions where you simply refuse to stop. You are not weak for moving slowly. You are powerful for moving at all when it would have been easier to give up. Never underestimate who you are becoming just because you cannot see it clearly yet. Growth is often invisible in the moment and obvious in hindsight. Trust the process. Trust your effort. Trust the law of forward motion. Keep moving. And your future self will one day look back and whisper, "Thank you for not quitting on us."